Annabelle's
Get
really
it.
afraid of
A
it.
bunch of dogs get a pinata.
Get it, Presley. Good boy.
Get it.
I bet Annabelle would be afraid of it.
Get its tail.
Annabelle's really impressed. It's not such a good idea, I think. We need those big dogs back. I don't think they were scared of anything.
They've just never seen a dog that's multicolored. Like fluorescently.
You know what?
Oh, this will be fun.
Maybe we'll just show that there's treats in here. Look at that.
Go get after it.
Presley is into it.
He's
Oh,
started it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Presley. Get it, Presley.
Get it.
Get in there. Get in there.
Django.
Oh, yeah.
Who's the smartest dog here, huh?